Beautiful good morning, students. So here is our Brenda sir, and today I'll cover your noun, and it's really very interesting topics. So you people must keep a copy with you so that you can write these all things on your copy, and it's really a very good topics to all the students. So you must watch this video till the end so that you can understand it very good. And after watching, questions is also given at your last page, so you must try to solve those questions so that you can understand it very good. So my dear students, without wasting time, let's start the topics from the very beginning. So here is your first page of this video. Welcome guys. So in this video I'll cover your noun. So let's know its definition. So what is noun? As you know, the topic is your what is noun. Noun means what? A noun is a name of person, place, animal and things are called noun. And it's really very important to all the students. So person is also your noun, place is also your noun, animals is also your noun, thing is also your noun. Person can be your Ram, Sita, Mohan and Rita, etc. Place can be your Ranchi, CKP and Delhi, etc. Animal can be your cat, dog, lion and fox. And things can be your pen, chair and mobiles. As you know very well, there are 5 kinds of noun. First is your proper noun, second is your common noun, third one is your collective noun, fourth one is your material noun and fifth one is your abstract noun. So let's move on. Welcome guys. So let's know its definition. Here is your first definition of proper noun. So what is proper noun? A proper noun is a name of particular person, place, animal and things, and it begins with capital letters are called proper noun. For example, person. Person can be also a proper noun. For example, Dhoni, Sachin, Sania, etc. You know Sania Mirza? Yes. Second one is a place. Delhi, America, India and China, etc. Animals. Third one is animals. Bengal tiger, Siberian tiger, etc. Fourth one is a thing. Link pen, Nokia mobile and Geo SIM, etc. Let's see the next. Have a look here. Common noun. A common noun is the name of general. Is the name of general. Like person, place, animal, things are called common noun. For example, person, place, animal, things. You must read this one so that you can understand it very good. Person means teachers, students, doctor, etc. Welcome students. And the next topic is a collective noun. So let's talk about the collective noun. A collective noun is a name of collection. It's called collective noun. So here is a spelling mistake. You must write here N-O-U-N, noun. So your first example is your here a bunch of keys, and B is your a flock of deer. Let's move on. Next one is a material noun. A material noun is a name of substance. It's called material noun. For example, gold, wood, milk, and rats, etc. Let's talk about the abstract noun. An abstract noun is a name of untouchable noun. It's called abstract noun. So here is your article mistake. You must write an before abstract noun. An abstract noun is a name of untouchable noun. It's called abstract noun. For example, is your beauty, peace, success, etc. These are the example of abstract noun. My dear students, let's move on. Welcome guys. Here is a common noun and proper noun. So we will discuss about the common noun and proper noun. So teachers is a common noun. So Rahul can be your teachers. So Rahul is a proper noun. Student is your common noun. So Ramu can be your Student, so Ramu is a proper noun. River is a common noun, but Ganga is the name of river. So Ganga is a proper noun. Doctor is a common noun. So my dear students, Dr. Umesh is a doctor, so it can be your proper noun. Tree is a common noun, so mango tree will be your proper noun because this is the name of proper noun. And city is your common noun, but Chakadarpur, you know CKB is your proper noun. Country is your common noun, but America is your proper noun. So you must write this one. Let's see ahead. Welcome guys once again, and we will discuss in this last page, and it's really very fantastic to all the students. So let's have a look here. There are two kinds of collective noun. How many kinds? Two kinds. So first one is your countable noun, second one is your uncountable noun. So let's talk about the countable noun. Countable noun, a noun which can be counted, is called countable noun. For example, pens, books, chairs, and mobile, etc. For example, one pen, two pen, three pen, we can count it. So that's why we can say that this is a countable noun. Let's talk about the uncountable noun. Uncountable noun, a noun which cannot be counted, is called uncountable noun. For example, water, milk, money, rice, and sugar, etc. These are example of uncountable noun. So I hope you had fun today, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, have a fun. Goodbye.